Welcome back, first grade. Today is Monday, March 29th, and we will collect and organize data. And we will organize our ice cream data from Friday into a bar type graph. Why? Because it is important to be able to interpret information accurately. Remember our vocabulary word tally marks. Say tally marks. Tally marks is one line for each object that you count. The fifth line crosses the other lines. Key, say key. A key explains how much each object is worth. This key says one vote is one happy face. Title, say title. The title explains what the graph is about. This graph is about favorite fruit, so the title is called Favorite Fruit. Picture graph, say picture graph. A picture graph is a way to organize data using pictures. Our favorite fruit, and we use pictures of happy faces to organize the data. Bar type graph, say bar type graph. A bar type graph is a way to organize data using bars. Each box is colored in for each vote for this type of fruit. Labels, say labels. Labels tell you what the items on the graph are. So these numbers is the number of students. These pictures of the fruit is the type of fruit they voted on or their favorite fruits. Yesterday we made a tally chart Thursday we made a tally chart for our favorite ice cream. So I know how much I need to buy to bring for an ice cream party. So we counted that there were 4 for chocolate, 5, 10 for vanilla, and how many for strawberry? 3 lucky strawberry ice creams. So then Friday, using this tally chart, you made a picture graph. You drug the ice creams to the spot that they belong to, above the ice cream flavor. And here we have 4 chocolate, our 10 vanilla, and our 3 strawberry. Today, you're going to use the picture graph to help you make a bar type graph. You still need to write the title at the top. What is this a graph of? You still need to write the labels. What did we do with this ice cream? And then at the bottom, the labels are there for the strawberry ice cream, the vanilla ice cream, and the chocolate ice cream. The key is also at the bottom, telling you that 1 ice cream scoop equals 1 vote. Now, instead of dragging the ice creams to the correct column, you are going to color in a box or a rectangle for each vote. So let's look back at our picture graph. How many voted for chocolate? Hold up that many fingers. How many voted for chocolate? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students voted for chocolate. So we're going to color in 4 bars or 4 rectangles for chocolate above the chocolate. So watch how I'm going to do it, and you're going to use the pen to color in each rectangle, okay? I am just going to get fancy over here and go and fill it in with a paint. Well, if it would stay where I wanted it to. There we go, is my paint bucket. So we had 4, you said 4, right? 4 for chocolate? All right, so I'm going to color in 4 rectangles. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, above the chocolate ice cream, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 votes. Okay? So that's your label over here, student votes or students. Your title, remember, what is this a graph of? Is this going to be your favorite animal? Your favorite color? No, these are our favorite ice cream. That's right. Now, you're going to make the bar graph, coloring in each rectangle for each vote for chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Okay, so there's my 4 votes for chocolate. Make sure you write the title, the label, and here's your assignment. On the next slide, you're going to write the title of the graph. You're going to add the labels and use the pen tool to color in 1 bar for each chocolate ice cream vote, each vanilla ice cream vote, and each strawberry ice cream vote. Then save and turn in to your teacher. Easy peasy. And here is your blank bar graph that you are going to make, your bar type graph. And then you have 2 videos to go watch. Extra Math for 10 minutes, iStation for 10 minutes, and the other math apps that your teacher wants you to go to. What did you learn today? Well, I know we learned to use a tally chart to make a bar graph, a bar type graph, because we're only coloring in parts of the bar. We're coloring in the rectangles. Each little rectangle is 1 vote. So how many votes for chocolate again? 4. 4 votes for chocolate. And that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.